Morning guys, it's that time of year again. We are off to Comic Con with the XL, the MCM Comic Con. Excuse that. I am dressed up. You have to wait and see who it is. Okay. Some of you might already know. But yeah, I'm in cosplay today, trying to be brave wearing it to the actual event. So see how that goes. But yeah, I'll take some videos and all that malarkey, and hopefully it'll just be a good fun day and not too slow. We'll see. See you there. We're on the train. How do you feel?
Great.
Nothing nice.
What's underneath? What are you hiding underneath there?
I never know.
You struggle with it for this size? I can't see that.
Some little children will take thee away into a land of enchantment. Some little children, it's time to play.
Yeah, you know all the lyrics.
Yes.
I've got some plumbing that needs doing. How much you charge? How much you charge?
Oh, free for you.
Oh. This is my wife. Yeah. That needs doing. How much you charge? How much you charge?
Oh, free for you.
Oh.